a system of linear equations. You have the linear equations, how you will find the solution of that system of equations. Objective. After successfully completing this topic, students will be able to understand method to find the solution of the system of linear equations. Now, if you have the equation Ax is equal to B, then what I will do, I will pre-multiply it both sides with A inverse. So A inverse of Ax, this is equal to A inverse of B. Now I will apply associativity property over here. So what it becomes, A inverse into A is into X is equal to A inverse into B. So A into A inverse A into I. So this is equal to I n X is equal to A inverse B, or X is equal to A inverse B. So in this way we are able to solve the system of equations. So, for example, solve the system of equations x plus 2y is equal to 2 minus 3x plus 4y is equal to 2. Now, our matrix A is 1, 2, minus 3, 4. B matrix is having entries 2 and 2. Transpose means it is of column wise. Then capital X is the column matrix XY. Now first of all we will find the cofactors of this matrix A. As already discussed, first we will find the minors and then we will find the cofactors. We know how to find the cofactors which we have already read. Now, the adjoint of a matrix A is denoted by adjoint A is the transpose of its cofactor matrix. So, adjoint of A, this is equal to A C transpose. So, it can be shown like A into adjoint of A is equal to adjoint of A into A is equal to determinant of A into I. Now A is our 1, 2, minus 3, 4. Our matrix is this one. First of all, we will find the determinant of this matrix. So mode of A, this will be 1 into 4 minus 2 into minus 3. So it will be 4 minus minus plus 4 plus 6. This is equal to 10. So determinant of A, this is equal to 10. Now adjoint of A, which is equal to C transpose, which is equal to 4 minus 2, 3 and 1. So this is the adjoint of A. Now A inverse, this is equal to adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So Ax is equal to B, x is equal to A inverse into B. So substitute the value of A inverse, substitute the value of the matrix B. So xy column, this will be, you will multiply all these. On multiplying and simplifying, you will get 1 by 10, 4, 8. So value of x is 4 by 10, value of y is 8 by 10. So in this way we are able to find the values of x and y. Next is solve the system of linear equations 3x minus y plus z is equal to 2, 2x plus y is equal to 3, x plus 2y minus z is equal to 2. So first of all we will write the matrix A, then we will write the matrix B, then we will write the matrix C. So our matrix A is with columns 3, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 2 and 1, 0, minus 1. B matrix is 2, 2, 2. It is a column matrix. X matrix is again a column matrix X, Y and Z. So determinant of A is determinant of A which is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 minus 2 minus 0 plus 1 4 minus 1. So after simplifying I will get minus 2. Then to find the cofactors. How to find the cofactors? First of all, you have to find the minors. Minors of this matrix. So minor of this matrix, then you will find the cofactor. So our C11 cofactor is C11, this is equal to minus of 1. C12, this is equal to minus of minus 2. C13, this is equal to positive 3. C21, this is equal to minus of minus 1. C22, this is equal to minus 4. C23, this is equal to minus 7. C31, this is equal to minus 1. C32, this is equal to plus 2, and so on. So in this way we can find all cofactors of this matrix A. Determinant we have already calculated. It comes out to be minus 2. So cofactor matrix is C. This is equal to minus 1, 1 minus 1 first column, 2 minus 4 2 second column, 3 minus 7 5 third column. So adjoint of A, this is equal to C transpose, this is equal to minus 1, 1 minus 1, 2 minus 4 minus 2, 3 minus 7 and 5. So this is the adjoint of A. Adjoint of A, this is the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Now what will be A inverse? We know that A inverse is given by adjoint of A upon determinant of A. So first of all we will write all entries of adjoint of A, then multiply it with the determinant of A. Determinant of A is minus 1 by 2. So what we are getting? We are getting 0.5 minus 0.5, zero point 0.5 minus 1, 2 minus 1 minus 1.5, 3.5 and minus 2.5. So this is the A inverse. Now what we have to find? We have to find the values of x, y and z. So how to find? Now we know that Ax, this is equal to B. So taking A inverse on both sides, on taking A inverse, we will get x is equal to A inverse into B. So multiplying the entries of A inverse with the entries of column matrix B, we will get the matrix X as X, which is equal to 1 0 5. So this is the entries X. Value of x, it comes out to be 1, value of y comes out to be 0, value of z comes out to be 5. So in this way I am able to find the values of x, y and z, or able to solve the system of linear equations. Thanks.